What's up guys, it's Alessandro here from Spicy Moustache. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, it's finally summer in UK. That's a miracle. It's gonna last probably 1 week, but for us it's a really long summer. In today's video I'm gonna explain to you 3 ways to use your aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great fertilizer for your garden, especially because it contains loads of minerals, vitamins, micronutrients, enzymes. Ideal for any sort of plant. It's really good for mainly 3 reasons. The first one, it's the development of the root system of your plant. They're gonna grow stronger and with a bigger root system. The second one, it's to help the plants to recover from stress due to transplant or fluctuations in temperature or many other reasons. The third one is to make your plant more resistant to disease and pest that could affect your plant at any stage of the growing process. Aloe vera could be used in 2 ways in your garden. The first one is to mix it with water and just water as you will normally do all your plants in your garden. The second one, it's as a foliar fertilizer for your plants and could be sprayed directly to the leaves. Foliar fertilizers are great because they make sure the absorption of nutrients or whatever you spray over your plant, it's way quicker than watering the roots of your plant. Aloe vera likes sunlight, but not direct sunlight, just because if you expose them to too much sun, they're gonna turn red and probably change their effect over time. Another great way to use aloe vera, it's as a moisturizer for your skin, especially when you get sunburn. It's ideal to get rid of that annoying red skin that could be painful sometimes. But let's get straight into how to use this amazing plant in your garden and for your body. The first fertilizer I'm gonna make is to water the roots of your plant, so you don't need to extract just the gel from your aloe vera, but you can use every single part, including the skin.
Have you any idea what?
Use non-chlorinated water or you might risk to kill all the beneficial bacteria in your aloe vera. To make a foliar fertilizer, you need to remove all the green material from your aloe vera and extract just the gel in order to have something that could be mixed well with water. Simply scoop out the gel and be careful that you don't scoop out any of the green material or it's gonna get stuck whenever you try to spray it over your plant.
Has anybody told you what? Have you any idea what?
You will find the link for organic nutrients in the description of this video.
Did he tell you what? Has anybody told you what? Have you any idea what?
To water the root of my plant, I add 1 glass of blended aloe vera to roughly 10 liters of water. I mix well and then I water, avoiding run out from the bottom of the pot. To spray the leaves of my plant, I add 1 cup of aloe vera gel into 10 liters of water. I mix well and then I spray top and bottom of every leaf. I hope you liked today's video. We are in Italy now, in Garda Lake. I'm looking for some rare plants to transfer to my garden. I'm gonna do a new video next week for some more tips about gardening or healthy life. Please stay tuned for the next one. Thank you very much for watching.